was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty